So, what if I told you one of the most powerful, versatile, and creative lighting tools in your video kit looks like a flashlight? This is where I normally hold up the product, but I just love this effect. This is the light. Hold on one second. This right here is the SmallRig RF-20C. It's a 20-watt portable, focusable LED video light that technically can fit in your pocket. It comes with a bunch of different shapes and different colors, and honestly, it's been completely changing how I light my backgrounds, my B-roll for products, and even run and gun interviews. So today we're gonna break down the specs and see if this little light deserves a spot in your camera bag.
MrBlack.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear and future innovative tech that you probably didn't know existed. So hit that subscribe button because that's what we do here, and this one as well. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, SmallRig, I love SmallRig, they're great. They even put a picture of me on their booth at NAB, and especially at that booth, I saw this light, got to play around with it, and I was like, I need to have it because there's so much you could do with it and just add creativity to any of your shots. And if you've been following this channel for a little while, you'd be like, wow, clean shaven? Yeah, I accidentally turned the wrong setting when I was trimming my beard, and I was like, we just have to deal with this for a little bit. But now let's talk build quality. This thing pumps out a consistent 20 watts. So at 1 meter, it shoots out 5400 lux at 5600K daylight. But here's the most interesting part. It's not your standard RGB light. Instead of full HSI color mixing, SmallRig decided to give this light 5 dedicated, highly saturated LED chips, which gives you red, white, purple, orange, and cyan. Why do this instead of just having full RGB colors? It's because dedicated color chips give you maximum brightness and incredibly pure color saturation without compromising output. So the daylight white chip right here gives you a CRI of 97 and a TLCI of 99. So skin tones look absolutely fantastic if you're using this as a hair light or an interview kicker. And so what makes this a filmmaker's tool and not just a flashlight is the push-pull plano-convex lens on the front. You can smoothly adjust the beam angle from a wide 60-degree flood down to a tight 24-degree spotlight. And if you want to get really creative, SmallRig includes this silicone holder and 20 pattern gobos right out of the box. Combine these gobos with 5 different colors and you instantly have cinematic background textures like fake window light, atmospheric rim lighting, so no heavy projectors required. Powering all of this is a pair of built-in 500 milliamp hour batteries. At 100% brightness, you're gonna get about an hour and a half runtime. At medium brightness, you're gonna get closer to 3 hours. But here's the kicker for anyone that's using this in their studio. It supports 36 watt USB-C power delivery with pass-through charging. So you can plug it into a wall or V-mount battery and run it continuously. To keep things cool, it does have a built-in fan. It runs at about 27 decibels. You might be able to hear it right now if I put it up to the microphone. But also, this light really wouldn't go near your microphone. You'd put it further back because it is so bright. So whether you're a wedding videographer needing that punchy backlight, product shooter just wanting tight spots of color, or a YouTuber looking to spice up their boring background, the SmallRig RF-20C is one of the coolest, most practical lighting modifiers that I've seen this year. And so yeah, with the gobos, it's perfect, but you can even take it a step further. You can remove the lens at the top and you can attach this one right here. So this is an extra accessory that you can get where you have these metal gobos and a bunch of different ones that you could pick from. You slide that right in, and then you even have little barn doors that you can open and shut to size up. You know, if there's certain parts of the light that you don't want to show, you can kind of close them off and make it super tight. And depending on how far away, you can focus that thing right up, just making it look super legit on your back wall. So a great extra accessory that I think is very worth it. Now do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. But yeah, I've been wanting a light like this for a long time. So when you see this light in action, you'll be like, oh, I know what he's doing there. I know what he's got. I'm gonna be using this a lot. So again, check it out. And thanks so much for watching today's video. I got a lot of videos coming up and I'm really excited to share with you. I'm really excited about this one. And SmallRig's just such a cool company. So if you wanna see some other SmallRig videos that we've done here, I will have some of them up here, like the potato jet tripod here. We have some other ones. Just gonna put them out there. If you wanna see some more, click them if you haven't already clicked off and went to go buy this already. I wouldn't blame you, it's so cool. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.